In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find virtual assistant on Glassdoor, Role Search 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to glassdoor.com. Make sure you're on the official site so the pages and filters look and behave as expected. Glassdoor works well on both desktop and mobile, but a larger screen can make it easier to compare listings side by side and review details quickly. Next, log into your Glassdoor account. Signing in helps you save searches, bookmark interesting roles, and come back to them later. If you're just browsing and want to move quickly, you can also go straight to the jobs section without logging in. Either way works. Logging in simply gives you more continuity as you research. On the homepage, look for the Jobs tab in the top navigation and click it. This takes you to the main search page, where you'll see a role or keyword field and a location field. Think of this page as your command center for narrowing down exactly what you want. In the keyword field, type virtual assistant. Keep it simple to start. If you're not finding enough matches later, you can try variations like executive virtual assistant or administrative assistant. But begin with virtual assistant so you get a broad view of the market. This ensures you don't miss relevant titles that use the standard phrasing. Now choose where you want to work. In the location field, select your preferred country or switch to remote if you're open to working from anywhere. Remote roles are common for this kind of position, and using the remote option will instantly filter your results to listings that don't require a specific office location. If you do pick a country, Glassdoor will show roles in cities across that region and nearby areas. Once you run the search, Glassdoor will list roles that match virtual assistant with your chosen location or the remote setting. Browse through the options and open the listings that stand out to you. As you compare, pay attention to the responsibilities, required tools or software, time zone expectations, and whether the role is part-time, full-time, or contract. Check the company page to understand size, industry, and typical feedback from employees. Salary estimates, if shown, can also help you gauge fit and prioritize what to review first. That's it. By going to Glassdoor, signing in if you want to save your progress, opening the Jobs tab, searching virtual assistant, setting your location or remote, and browsing the results, you'll quickly zero in on roles that match your goals.